Hey guys, it's Eddie again. Today I want to shoot a video showing you guys how I check an air conditioner. Today we want to use it's a Testo 435. It's going to measure airflow, it's going to measure BTU output, it measures humidity, wet bulb, measures all kinds of stuff. Alright, then we're going to show you how I figure superheat, and we'll clean the unit and just kind of go from there. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my 435. This is going to replace the method that I used in my prior videos. With the older unit, or with the old style, we had to figure everything out. We had this big old longhand form we had to do to figure BTU output and everything. It was kind of took a little bit of time. It wasn't too bad. It took about 20 minutes to do it. But with this meter, I can do it in about 5. So it really cuts the time down. But anyways, this is the main unit. These are the vanes. This is for measuring like a return air filter grill. This one is what we use to measure inside the ductwork. And this is a little thermometer that I use. It's like an instant read thermometer. So just as soon as you touch it, within 3 or 4 seconds, it's got your temperature on. It's pretty fast. Alright, so let me get all this hooked up and we'll show it to you in action. Alright, forgot to show you, it's also got 2 wireless probes. I've got one marked for supply, one marked for return. So this is what's going to read the humidity and the temperature and the wet bulb temperature. So we'll be using these. Alright, and for this particular job, it's got return air drop, so we're going to use the mini vane to measure airflow. Like I said, if this job were to be in a hall closet and it's pulling return right through a wall like a filter grill, we would use the other one to kind of measure the grill. Alright, so let me show you this meter when it fires up and we'll go ahead and get started testing. Alright, let's power this thing on. Get the light turned on. So it's going to look for the probes first. It's going to come to the main menu. Now what this meter is going to do is going to read feet per minute, CFM, BTU output. You're going to have your return humidity, temperature, wet bulb. Then you're going to have your supply, humidity, temperature, dew point, wet bulb. Then you're going to go back to feet per minute. So first thing we're going to do is measure the area of the ductwork. I've already measured this and it was 23.5 by 10, so I'm going to need to switch this one. Okay, so now it knows what size the ductwork is, so we're going to get the accurate reading on your airflow. And while we're measuring, we want to do a mean. We've got to set the mean. You can do timed or multi-point. Here you just got to keep hitting a button every time you want to take a reading. I personally do the timed one. I just started, run my mini vane through there that just reads it on a 1 second average. So that's what we're going to do. Then when we're ready, we're going to hit start. Then you'll start running your mini vane through there. Once you're finished, you'll hit stop. Then it calculates everything for you, so it's pretty fast. So let me show you how that's done. Alright, I'm going to go over real quick the plugs that I've used to fill these holes in. The older style plugs that I had, they had the little locks on them. If you can see that or not, they had locks on them. So once you get it in the ductwork, it's not coming back out. I mean, you really got to tear these things up to get them out. And I really didn't like that. And they work okay, but you're not going to reuse them. So I found these caps. They're harder plastic, and they just push on. They stay in there really good, and they come out really easy. So this is what I use now. They work pretty good. I'll try to get a link to these too, so you know how to get these. Then I just use this little hook blade to pop off here. And they pop off really fast. And the other ones, you wouldn't have gotten them out of here as easy. They were really hard to come out. Alright. So, you turn my meter back off. Power both of these up. You'll see a little blue light blinking. You know they're on. I'll power it back up so it recognize it. I don't know if you can see the light blinking or not. You should be able to. Alright, so I'm going to take one that's labeled return. We'll stick it in return. And we'll measure the supply. We'll stick it up here in the supply. And I'm going to take my mini vane. I'm going to stretch it out. I'm going to try to get it to the length of the ductwork. Get it started. Hit mean, hit time. Alright, and then I'm going to hit start. So just real slowly, I'm going to run it all the way to the back. Pull it back out. Surprised on how quick this is. All the way to the back. All the way back out. Again, all the way to the back. All the way back out. Alright, that's it. Just taking my reading. It's done. Let me show you what it shows.